Hey guys, I'm Aubrey from Drafted, and managing your jobs in Drafted is pretty simple. If your ATS already integrates with us, you don't have much work to do at all. If not, here's how to do it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to post a software engineer position. The job is located in Boston, and I'm going to set the salary as competitive. But we're looking for someone who's full-time and not remote, so I'll make sure I mark that. You can add specific skill tags too. I'm looking for people who know JavaScript, so I'll add that. And at Drafted, we have a custom referral reward that's the same internally and externally, which is dinner for two. I already have a job description ready to go, so I will copy and paste it to help this go even quicker. Click Publish Live on Drafted and start finding candidates right away. Hey guys, I'm Aubrey. So loud. If not, here's how to do it the old-fashioned way. And start finding candidates right away.
It was okay.